On top inside Edo today, Katakata no dey for Edo APC. Na Obaseki talk this one as INEC go soon announce fresh election dates for EDHA. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say Katakata no dey for Edo State chapter for All Progressives Congress APC. As him talk say anybody wey no dey work to better the party, dem go pursue am comot for the party. Governor talk this one for meeting of APC members from Onwa East and Onwa West local government areas wey shele for Sabongida Ora. He say Edo APC dey ground gidigba and dem dey united. As he yarn say Edo People's Movement no be members of APC. He talk say EPM members wan try frustrate the good plans wey him get for Edo people, and EPM plan na to burn markets and government buildings, as dem believe say this one go make people start to dey think say him government no good. Obaseki talk say APC na one party and say anybody wey dey EPM no dey APC. Plus national chairman Comrade Adams Oshomole wey dem don suspend comot for Edo State. He talk say dem don pursue the people wey dem use mistake take vote enter Edo State House of Assembly wey be EPM members comot, and INEC know this one as dem go soon announce fresh date for election, and this election na opportunity to vote better people wey go represent Edo people well put for the house. Governor talk say anybody wey dey do anti-party matter, President Muhammadu Buhari don give am go ahead to deal with all those kind people. And he talk say e no go work for anybody wey want make Katakata dey for Edo State APC, because Edo APC politics be like open book wey everybody, even blind man, dey see. Governor Godwin Obaseki still talk say ogbonge work go soon shele for Sobe and Sabongida Ora road, as e be say dem new harvest corn finish for there so, and him wan use 5,000 hectares of land take do cassava farm, because him na governor wey dey put body on top the well well. Chairman for Onwa West local government area, Honorable Frank Ilaboya, come talk say governor dey try well on top the devil wey him carry come Edo State, and say him people dey with Governor Godwin Obaseki for his second tenure gidigba. Chairman for Onwa East local government area, Honorable Andy Osegwe, come talk say him people dey with Governor Godwin Obaseki, especially as they change the face of Edo State on top devil matter. Sir Tony Ezekiel wey be APC leader for the area come talk say even if say dem no first do am well before for Edo State wey make am comot, him don come back now come help governor develop Edo State. He talk say him don waka around and him eye don see the ogbonge work wey Obaseki dey do for the state, and he don develop agricultural and educational sector. He train teachers and civil servants. He construct roads, and he don still do other better things to better the lives of Edo people, and dem go give am their ogbonge support. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say Katakata no dey for Edo State chapter for All Progressives Congress. Make una sabi say this ogbonge informate waka come meet una so na T Live Media na bring am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.